Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome download stuck problem step by step in 2026. If Chrome downloads pause, hang at 0%, or never complete, it can be really frustrating. The good news is there are several steps to fix this issue quickly. Let's start. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can cause downloads to hang. Restart your modem or router, or switch to a more reliable network and try again. Next, clear Chrome's download cache. Press Ctrl+J to open the downloads page. Cancel any stuck downloads, then go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Clear Browsing Data, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Now, disable extensions temporarily. Click the three dots, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and turn off all extensions. Some extensions, like download managers or ad blockers, can interfere with Chrome downloads. Another common fix is to reset the download location. Go to Settings greater than Advanced greater than Downloads and change the download folder to a different location, like your desktop. Then try downloading again. Check antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks downloads or scans files in a way that causes Chrome to stall. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, then try the download again. Remember to re-enable security software afterward. Also, make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install any updates. New updates often fix bugs that cause downloads to get stuck. If nothing works, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This clears misconfigurations without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Finally, for persistent issues, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official website. A fresh installation usually resolves download problems completely, and that's how you fix Google Chrome download stuck problem step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.